Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas, and this is my very first Vlogmas video. Ow, professional YouTuber right here. Put the cat away before you film. He's so cute. This is my sister's kitten, Honey. Okay, so back to what I was saying. This is my very first Vlogmas video, and this is the very first time I've actually participated in Vlogmas. So I wanted to announce what I'm going to be doing for Vlogmas and something very special, which is a giveaway that I'm going to be doing for everyone that participates with me. And I'm going to be giving away cold hard cash, but I will announce at the end of this video how you can enter and how you can win. But first I wanted to kind of talk about what Vlogmas is if you aren't familiar, and kind of let you guys in on what I'm going to be doing for Vlogmas. So if you're not familiar with Vlogmas, what it is it's where you post a video every single day starting December 1st all the way till Christmas. And obviously it's December 3rd and this is the first video I put out. So I did have some technical difficulties. My computer actually broke yesterday, or not yesterday, the other day, and so I wasn't able to edit and upload, but I have a new loaner computer now, so I am back running, and I will be getting up 3 videos today, so stay tuned for those. But yeah, so what I'm going to be doing is uploading a video every single day all the way up until Christmas. And then on Christmas is when I'm going to be picking my giveaway winners. And so what this giveaway is it's going to be for the most engaged people on my channel. So how do you enter and how do you win? Like I said, it's for the most engaged. So number 1, you want to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Number 2, make sure that you like every single video. And number 3, make sure that you comment on every single video. So in a lot of the videos, I'll give you like a idea of what you can comment. So like in this one, if you guys want to go ahead and comment any suggestions for what you want to see in any videos for Vlogmas or otherwise, that just helps me create things that you guys like. Helps me come up with ideas because obviously there's gonna be a lot for Vlogmas, 25 videos. But how do you, what am I actually giving away? So I'm giving away cold hard cash. Actually, I'm gonna be Venmoing it. So I'm giving away $200 cash. And then I'm also probably gonna add in like gift cards and maybe pick some extra winners. Decides on how giving I'm feeling and how great Vlogmas goes. So make sure that you enter, make sure that you guys follow along. If you click the bell notifications, you'll actually get notified every time that I put up a new video, so you won't miss any. And yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing. So stay tuned for my next Vlogmas videos, and I will see you guys over there.